what's up, gals? I don't know about you, but as a single mom, sometimes I have to figure out how to do things by myself. I don't know much about cars, but I know I have a 2018 Ford Fusion, and I know all changes are expensive. So here at Axel Off-Road, they taught me how to do it by myself. So first you need to pop your hood. I have a button on the inside. Yours could be different. I'm gonna push this lever up here. First, you're gonna wanna remove your oil cap. This is the dipstick, and this is the cap. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, next you're gonna have to crawl under your well to remove the drain plug. Here at Axel Off-Road, they let me use their fancy lift. Or you can just crawl your ass under there. This could be done in your yard. Next, we're gonna drain out our old oil by removing the old drain plug. Mine's 15 millimeters, yours might be different in some cases. So I'm gonna use a 15 millimeter socket to remove the old drain plug. This is a good time to have something underneath to catch the old oil. This would be a good time to have some paper towels handy. Grab your ratchet and socket and remove the oil plug to allow the oil to drain. Next, we're gonna be removing your old oil filter. You're gonna use the oil filter wrench. There's several different shapes and sizes. I'm gonna use this one here. First, what you wanna do is put the oil filter wrench on there, tighten it up, and begin to ratchet. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, wait. This is also gonna need a little pan or something to catch everything once it drains. And let it fall. This is when you need those paper towels. Next, you want to grab your new oil filter. A really important step is you're going to want to take your finger, stick it in the old oil, and lubricate the new O-ring. Next, you're going to install your new oil filter. You're going to screw it in as tight as you can. You're going to want to go a quarter turn with your wrench more than hand tight. Make sure it's tight to prevent any leaks. A very important step is to make sure you put your oil plug back. Next, I'm going to use a regular ratchet wrench. Make sure that it is snug tight. Next, we're going to put in our new oil. Start it from the bottom now here. Next, we're gonna put in our new oil. This vehicle requires OW20. Get it at your local auto parts store. Next, you're gonna fill your car with your new oil. You need to check your owner's manual to figure out how much you need. In my case, it's 5.7 quarts. Okay, to keep you from spilling, you're gonna need a funnel. A trick I learned from Axel Off-Road is to pour it from the side to make it easier to pour. Before I pour the last 0.7 quarts, I'm going to close the lid and start my car to circulate the oil, and then kill it and pour the remaining 0.7. Now you're going to want to pour the remaining 0.7 quarts. So remove the oil cap again. Grab your oil and your funnel. Remember, it's easier to pour from the side. Before you clean up your mess, we're gonna check out oil level by pulling the dipstick. So check and make sure you have the right amount of oil. And now, ladies, you just changed your own oil. You know how to put the stick down, you know how to handle a stick. Then you gotta push it real good.